The fascination of flight. Have you ever looked out an airplane window and wondered, how does this huge metal machine stay in the air? Today we'll explore how planes fly, the technology that keeps them safe, and the futuristic planes being developed worldwide. By the end, you'll understand why flying is one of the safest and most incredible ways to travel. The four main forces at work. To keep a plane in the air, four forces are constantly at work: lift, weight, thrust, and drag. Think of them as a balance. Weight pulls the plane down, while lift pushes it up. Thrust, generated by the engines, pushes the plane forward, and drag, or air resistance, tries to slow it down. A large plane like a Boeing 747 generates over 400,000 pounds of lift just to stay up. How engines push the plane forward. Thrust. Engines are the heart of a plane's power. They work like giant fans, pulling in air, mixing it with fuel, and pushing it out fast. This creates thrust, or forward force, which lets the plane reach high speeds. A single engine on a Boeing 777 can generate as much power as 200 sports cars combined. Wing design and features. Planes aren't just big tubes with wings. The wings themselves are specially designed with features like winglets at the tips. These help cut through the air more efficiently and reduce drag, saving fuel. Winglets on large planes can save thousands of gallons of fuel every year. Why planes fly so high? Planes typically cruise at around 35,000 feet. Why so high? Well, the air is thinner up there, meaning there's less drag. Less drag lets the plane fly faster and use less fuel. Technology in the cockpit and air traffic control. Planes today are packed with technology. Thousands of sensors monitor everything from altitude to fuel levels. But pilots aren't alone up there. Air traffic control, ATC systems guide planes to avoid collisions. ATC uses radar and collision avoidance technology to give pilots real-time updates. Every plane you see in the sky is in contact with ATC, ensuring safe separation from other planes. This level of coordination makes flying extremely safe. Case study, Miracle on the Hudson. One famous story that shows just how safe planes are is the Miracle on the Hudson. In 2009, a U.S. Airways flight lost power in both engines after hitting birds. Despite losing thrust, the pilot safely landed in the Hudson River, and everyone survived. Future of planes, eco-friendly aircraft. Electric planes. Electric planes are the next big thing in aviation. The US, France, and Germany are leading the way, with companies like NASA and Airbus testing these planes for shorter flights. Electric planes have zero emissions, making them extremely eco-friendly. However, battery limitations mean they're mostly suited for shorter flights for now. Solar-powered planes. Solar-powered planes like the Swiss Solar Impulse have made impressive strides. These planes use solar panels on their wings to generate power. While they're limited to specialized missions due to slower speeds, the United Arab Emirates and Japan are testing ways to expand their use. Lightweight planes with advanced materials. Lightweight planes made with materials like carbon fiber are popular in Japan, the UK, and the US. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner, for instance, uses composite materials, reducing weight and fuel usage. But these materials are costly and require special repairs. Blended wing body, BWB designs. The blended wing body, or BWB, is an experimental shape where wings and body merge into one smooth form. The U.S. is leading this research with NASA and Boeing, but China and the Netherlands are exploring it too. BWB designs reduce drag and fuel consumption, although they're still far from commercial use. Wrap up. Why flying is so safe and amazing. Flying combines advanced science and cutting-edge technology. Today's planes and future innovations prove that flying is not only safe, but getting greener. So next time you board a plane, take a moment to appreciate the engineering marvel that keeps you up in the air.